to another video. Today's episode of the Chateau Chronicles. So, I don't think I've shared with you the completion of the floor, which is the, I showed you the floors in the girl cave. Showed you those, but I didn't show you, I don't think, the floors, the same floors were put in the family room area right beside that. So I'll take you downstairs and show you that. And nothing is different about the, I hate the way this lotion smells. Hold up, let me wipe this off because it stinks. My preferred lotion right here. This is all I use. That lotion right there. Nope, it ain't it. Let's get that off and start over. Cucumber, no. Don't want it. I don't want it. Okay, so anyway, downstairs, the I'll show you the floors. The girl cave still looks the exact same. I'm literally stuck, okay? I'm stuck on those, stuck trying to find the right paint. Let me say that, the right paint for the two credenzas. Stuck. So, I kind of threw in the towel. Now I'm back at it. I'm about to get back at it. It's a good day to stay inside and paint. It's cool outside. It's cloudy, and it was raining actually. It may be still raining. Yeah, I think it is still drizzling a little bit. So it's a good day to be inside painting or napping. You know, give or take. So I'll show you the floors. They look 1000% better than the orange floors, and they are close enough to the existing floors that it's not like but they're not an exact match. There was just no way to get an exact match. Even if actual hardwood and not laminate had been installed, it still wouldn't have been an actual match to the existing floor. So it works. Yeah. So nothing new in the space other than what you have already seen, but I'll show you what the floors look like with the two rooms together. And he still have to put the doors back up too. I have no hair products on today. My hair is just literally, I just wet it. So the top is wet. No chemicals, no products whatsoever, not even gel. Nothing today. I'm gonna see how it do with nothing on it. See how it turns out today. So let's go downstairs so you can see the floors. And I'll show you the paints that I have gone through. I want to burst you so bad. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay, so existing, current floor, and the girl cave. That's this way. So let me come back. No, you want to be in the film. You want to be in here, so come on. Come on, get in here. No, don't side out now. You want to be in it. So it's a close enough match that I'm totally fine with it. He's totally fine with it. And it looks really good with, even though it's a little different, or a lot of different, but so much better. So no more orange floors. This is what was left. 2 boxes and 3 pieces, and it's actually enough to go in the laundry room. So even though I told him I had no more projects for him, this can go in the laundry room. So this is how it looks. And let me show you something I did. So we did this floor together. I didn't record any of it, but I was the cutter and he was the installer. So I made all the cuts except, let me show you. I made this cut around the bottom of this, what do you call this? Like the railing of the stairs. I made this cut and he made the circular cuts. These two right here. And this is two cuts. One on this side, one on this side. Very hard to get down here at this angle part of the wall too, because all this had to be cut at a slant. But I was the cutter, honey. And so this is what it looks like. It's so much prettier. All the way into there. And then again, this is the existing, this is the leftover that's going to go into the laundry room. And then that'll be that. So let me show you this debacle over here. Okay, it's been so much paint bought and nothing accomplished. So here's the color I want. I want it to be the color of this mirror, which is like a champagne gold. Super light, more of a silvery base and not on the gold side, right? So that's the desired color that I wanted right there. So all of this white that you see, right, is actual, let me show you what it is. It's chalk paint. And I was using this as a primer base to apply what I thought was going to give me that color, which was this. This was the first run. And this was this. It is the pure gold. Not what I want. Not feeling that. That's what this is. Test run. And it's close to this, but you can see the difference. This is lighter. And this is more of a brassier gold. Didn't want that. Still too gold. So then I got this, thinking, okay, this is going to be perfect. Sparkle infused. Okay, no. Because let me show you what this is. Let me show you what this is. Let me open this. Totally not what I wanted. See that? It just has freaking gold glitter in it. Like, no. Why do they do that? That's what this is. Okay. Sparkle infused. And it's literally just gold glitter flakes. Not feeling that. Okay. No, no, and no. So, then I went and got this. Which is this. And this. So, it is close. But not quite nowhere near where I want to be in color. But this is what it looks like. I've never seen a paint so runny. This is not as thick of paint. I don't know why it's super runny. The texture of it. But this is the color that it comes out to be. Okay, let me show you this one too. That's this one, all right? Very sheer paint. I gotta get them sparkles off of here because I'm not, they're in this brush obviously. See that? It is not giving me what I want. Maybe if I had the patience to sit and do about 13 coats of it, it will eventually get. This right here is probably like 2 coats, 3 coats maybe. it's just not giving me the finish that I want. So I'm stuck. That's what this looks like. Yeah. So I think what I'm going to do, because I love this. Oh my God, let me show you this. My most favorite part in the whole room is this wall. This wall, oh, it's everything. And I be in here with nothing in here. Or I'll be like, hey, Sharon, turn your lights on. And I have those ones on. But it's so pretty and such a vibe at night. I can't get enough. But these suckers here, I actually think that it's gonna end, these are gonna end up being, I think I'm done trying to play with the gold. They're gonna end up being like this color. One of like this color right here. I think it's gonna end up being those. Because the gold is frustrating me and I'm over it. It's a very tedious piece to paint anyway. It's either going to be that or they'll be white. White or either the darker color. But the gold finish, I'm done trying to figure out the golds. I'm done trying to do multiple thousands and thousands of coats. I'm just over it. I'm ready to pop the legs on, sit it up, and call it a day. So it may end up being white or either, again, this color. Where's it? Right there. That color. One of the two. Yeah. So that's where we are with the floors and this room. We are still, that's just such a vibe right there too. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Doors will go back. You have to cut them to fit. These thresholds right here was a situation, and also was kind of hard to do. There's a threshold transition piece here, transition over there, and then transition on the fireplace as well. This was kind of hard to do. For some reason, the pieces on the back are just hard to work with, the little metal pieces. So, but yeah, this will go into the laundry room, and then that'll complete downstairs floors. Yep, and that is it. The backlight, ooh, it's really, that's a very pretty view, right? Very pretty. He actually asked me, Sharon, are you thinking about keeping the doors off altogether and just like making this like one? I said, no, I'm not. I like how it looks, but no. And the doors needs to be up for just privacy overall. But it is a beautiful look back there. So anyway, that's where we are with the house to home right now. Is the floors are done. And of course, next is the kitchen, which, okay, this is a horrible situation here at this tripod. Y'all, if you only saw it, is the kitchen. Yeah, that's it. It's been a pleasure talking to you and having you in such a beautiful and complete space. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Bye.